All right, we made it to the last problem. Number 4 is a little difficult because you have to find the speed. But once you do that, the velocity, this is a very easy problem because we're just looking for centrifugal acceleration and there's only one part to it, so pretty straightforward. All right, it says a dryer spins once around every 2 seconds. All right, so 2 seconds, that's going to give us our time, and it spins around once every 2 seconds. So we're going to have to find the distance that it goes. It says, what is its centrifugal acceleration if its diameter is 1 meter? All right, so this time it gives us a diameter. It doesn't give us the radius, but remember the radius is half the diameter. So if the diameter is 1 meter, the radius is 1/2 of that, 0.5 meters. All right, so that's our radius. And because we have the radius, we can get the circumference too. So the circumference equals the distance, which is going to equal 2 times pi times the radius, which is 0.5. So because it's 2 and 0.5, 2 times 0.5 is going to give you 1 times pi. It's going to be a distance of 3.14. All right, so it says, so that's going to be our distance. And remember, velocity equals distance divided by time. Distance is 3.14 divided by time every 2 seconds. So 3.14 divided by 2 is going to give us a velocity of 1.57 meters per second. All right, so we have the velocity and we have the radius, which is all we need for centrifugal acceleration. Our formula for centrifugal acceleration is velocity squared over the radius. Centrifugal acceleration equals 1.57 squared over the radius, and our radius is 0.5 from up here, 0.5, and that gives us a centrifugal acceleration of 4.93 meters per second squared. And that's all we got. Thanks, guys. Remember, if you have any questions, make sure you email them to me, and I look forward to hearing from you. All right, have a good night.